Silver traded bearish yesterday. It was falling shy of breaking past 2280 yesterday, but today it has breached 2280 levels. So can we expect it to continue with the bearish momentum from here? Can we expect silver to achieve the lows of this channel? Or is it going to retrace from here on the upside? Which position you should take trading silver today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Let's start first. We look into the now, if you look at the hourly chart, see certainly it is staying bearish, no doubt on that. And the lows here at 2265, very good support levels. At the same time, on the upside now, 23, 23, 20 zone is going to be the most critical resistance for silver on the upside. See, it is consolidating here and possibly see prices are divergent from the 20 period moving average, and the 50 period moving average is also too much divergent. It is sitting at 2310 levels. So yes, a little retracement on the upside cannot be denied if it stays above 2290. See, this price has to be above 2290. Then we can expect that it is trying to reverse a bit, but still, as long as 2320 is not breached, we cannot say that it is trying to stay bullish. And as long as 2320 is there, at least every 10 cents you may find a little resistance for silver. Now see, stochastic is rising here. The MACD is almost staying flat. It is not indicative of anything. RSI is at bottom. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2-hour chart, see all the moving averages have crossed over, staying bearish here, trading with divergence 2310, 23 and 2320. Again, all the three are well placed within this zone, and this makes it a very stronger resistance zone. Also, if you look at the 2-hour chart, see stayed bearish for multiple candles. It is finding a resistance here at 2290 levels. Beyond 2290, we can see a little retracement on the upside towards 23, 2310, 2320 levels as the major resistance levels. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover here, while MACD is still staying bearish, willing to converge crossover. Now see, MACD, if you look at it, has breached this bullish retracement channel after the drop, and now again trying to stay bearish. So what does this mean? Can we expect it to achieve the bottom? Possibility exists that it can, because see, below 2280 now, the next support levels are at 2265. It has already achieved 2270 though, and below that 2250 levels are going to be the next stronger support levels. Stochastic at bottom. Coming to 3, if you look at 3-hour chart, see lower highs, lower lows are getting created, trying to initiate this bearish channel. All the moving averages have crossed over. This is a bearish sign for silver, and at the same time, if you look at it, is creating steps here. Now this candle certainly trying to consolidate a bit and not try to move upside. That is what we can see. Lower highs are getting created here as well. Support is seen on the downside as of now. So what we can expect that once it stays below 2270, you can initiate a sell entry further, which might take the prices towards 2250 levels and 2240 levels. Yes, these levels we have seen earlier, 2240 giving it a very good support the last time when we had seen the drop in silver. Stochastic here on the 3-hour charts is oversold, while MACD is still staying bearish. Yes, the candles have diminished, but you can see the divergence is not yet changed, and possibly it has further room for it to continue on the downside, achieve the double bottom levels. RSI oversold here. Coming to 4-hour, now look at 4-hour chart. See, it has to break past the highs of these two candles in order to confirm a further rise. At the same time, the preceding candle has more than half the body size of the complete move. This suggests that still bearishness is there, and it has left a tail. So if it drops below 2270, further bearishness may prevail, where 2250 levels, 2260 levels could provide a very good support. However, the stronger support on the downside is, I will look forward to 2240, 2235 levels. That is going to be a very great support. Remember, look at the previous drop here. It has consolidated here at this zone 2250-60, and this was the drop which has achieved the bottom of the channel, which is right now for this it is at around 2235 levels here. So this zone certainly is going to be a great support zone. Stochastic here is oversold. The MACD is still divergent, still bearish, looking downside as of now. RSI is sitting at bottom. And if you look at the daily, see on the daily charts, higher highs, higher lows. After the drop, this is trying to retrace. Now the bottom somewhere here at, see, first it has to break below 2250 levels, then 2230 levels here. If it breaks below this zone, you can note that below 2230 further bearishness may prevail. See, last three lows are beautifully aligned, and hence it has to come out of this lows here, it has to come out of this channel in order to give a breakout. See, it is a consolidation zone, and a breakout is going to bring strong bearishness on the downside for silver. Right now, yes, for the day there could be little more drop. If it stays below 2270, we can look forward to see first support zone here at 2260 and 50, very good support, and then 40 and 35 or 30, these are going to be the next stronger support. So you can sell here at 2270 levels. If you see this price, rather I will say this price below 2270, you can sell here and expect it to continue with the drop, and with the resistance levels on the upside coming into picture at around 2290 levels. And at the same time, you can buy here at 2290, and then one can expect it to retrace a little. How far? 2305, 2310, 2320. Only and only if you see silver is staying below 2320, beyond 2320, you can say that it is trying to reverse from here, and it is going to achieve the highs of this channel at around 24. Stochastic here is back to oversold. MACD has crossed over again for a selling entry, and RSI is also looking downwards. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell at 2270 and buy at 2290. And before I give you the complete levels here, if you appreciate the effort, do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Your every like, share, comment, subscribe is a great support motivation for me to deliver to the best of my abilities. And also you can join my 26th mentorship batch, which is starting on 9th of October. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Join my free Telegram channel or reach out to me via Telegram or email to get the more market updates and the updates about my mentorship batch. The links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now with that, today, as we discuss, selling entry at 2270 and buying at 2290. On the upside, be alert till 2320 levels. That is the level beyond which we can say that it is trying to reverse. On the downside, be alert for 23, 22, 30, 40 zone, which is going to be critical support for silver on the downside. And as long as 23, 22, 30, 40 is respected, you have to ensure 10 cents trailing is stop loss here on the downside. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.